Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one very simple but very tasty Udupi temple style tomato saru or tomato curry. We are going to prepare a freshly ground masala for this recipe which adds as additional texture and the flavor to the dish. It is very refreshing and surely you all need to give it a try. So for preparing this Udupi style tomato saru, I have taken here half a cup of tur dal. So just wash it nicely in water 2 to 3 times. Then you can add it in pressure cooker. You can add half a tablespoon of hing, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 small sized tomato finely chopped. Add required amount of water. Just cook it for around 3 to 4 whistles till it gets completely mashed and cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to it and just cook it well. Now for preparing this masala, in a pan we are going to dry roast some ingredients. So I have added here 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera, half a tablespoon of mustard. Just fry it well till the raw smell goes off and the nice coriander smell comes out, and the mustard also should start crackling. Once it gets fried nicely, you can add the other ingredients. Here I have added 4 to 5 dry red chili and then 4 to 5 Byadige chili. This gives color but it doesn't give more spiciness. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. Roast all the ingredients at low flame. That is very important. Now the coconut has to become slightly brown. The masala is smelling amazing. Now turn off the stove, let it cool for some time. You can add little bit of water and grind it to a fine paste and keep it aside. Let's start preparing this tomato saru. For that I have taken here a clay pot. Don't need to add any oil or anything. Tatka we will do it at the end. Now the cooked dal and tomato that we are going to add in the pot, followed by whatever the freshly ground masala, that one you can just add. Add required amount of water. So this recipe is going to be thin consistency. It shouldn't be very thick. So add more water to it. Add required amount of salt. Just give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes. When it is about to boil, that time you need to add tamarind. Here it is a homemade tamarind paste. I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. If you don't have that tamarind paste, you can just soak tamarind in water, and the tamarind water you can add at this stage. The tamarind water you need to add only when the masala gets cooked completely, then only you need to add this. Now this much big size of jaggery I am going to add to this. So this jaggery is going to bind all the flavors together. Let it boil for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the raw smell of tamarind, masala, everything gone completely. It is boiling very nicely. We are going to add tadka to it. So for tadka you add Byadige chili again. So this chili gives more flavor to this dish and it gives the authentic traditional taste. So you can just fry little bit of jeera, Byadige chili and curry leaf, and then you can make the tadka. So before that you can just add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. So this grated coconut step is optional. It will give slight crunchiness and it gives additional taste to the dish. You can make this tadka either with coconut oil or with gingerly oil. Coconut oil, it will give more taste to this dish. That's all. Our temple side tomato saru is ready. It is very tasty. You can have it with white rice. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everyone. Thanks for watching.